Does your garden or growing area get very little sunlight? That can actually work in your favor. Today, I will show you 6 herbs grown in shade that thrive in low light and don't need full sun. First is mint. It's the absolute king of the shade and it's almost impossible to kill. Mint loves moisture and cooler spots. But remember to give it its own dedicated pot so it doesn't choke out your other plants. Second is parsley. Most people think it needs sun, but it actually stays much greener and the leaves stay much softer in the shade compared to full sun. It's perfect for adding fresh flavor to your cooking. Third, cilantro. This is a total game changer for shade gardeners. Cilantro usually dies the moment there is too much heat, but in a cool, shady spot, it won't go to seed as fast. And you can keep harvesting fresh leaves for your tacos all season long. Fourth is chives. They handle low light like a champ and they are perennial, which means they will die back in winter and pop right back up every single spring without you doing anything. Fifth, try lemon balm. It's super easy to grow in low light and has a beautiful, calming citrus scent. It's amazing for making fresh, herbal teas. And sixth, Chervil. This is a gourmet herb that is often hard to find in stores. It absolutely hates the heat and loves cool, shady corners. It has a delicate flavor that is perfect for eggs or fish. When growing in the shade, you only need to remember 2 main rules for maintenance. First, watch your watering very carefully. Since the sun isn't drying out the pots, the soil stays wet much longer than in sunny garden. Always wait until the top 5 cm of soil are completely dry before you water again to avoid root rot. Second, always water at the base of the plant. When leaves stay wet in the shade, moisture doesn't evaporate fast enough, which can lead to white mold or mildew. That's actually exactly what happened to my potted mint. Keep the leaves dry and your plants will stay healthy and green. Shade gardening is actually easier because you don't have to water as often and your herbs won't burn in the sun. If you want to learn more about small space gardening, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which herb are you going to plant first.